Good day, folks. I was online checking a map and I think I located an abandoned building out by the shoreline. So I'm going to head over to check that out. It's about probably, looks like it's going to be a 15 or 20 minute walk through the woods over that way. But just as soon as I got into the woods on here, I see this old car in here. Check that out. That's an oldie. You can see the dirt is over time. It's right up halfway up the door there. It's interesting. There's a bunch of crap down in through here. Anyways, I'm not going to stay and check this out. I'm going to keep moving on, and I'll get you back up when I get to the site. Okay? Hang tight. Hey guys, I got you back up on real quick. I made it to the abandoned house here. Definitely abandoned. See, there's a few bits and pieces of glass in the woods here. I haven't really looked around yet. Just wanted to get you up real quick and show you that I made it here. Okay. Catch you in a bit. Could be the first find right here, folks. Looks like an insulator. Aqua blue one. Dominion. Get some of that dirt out of it. Some of the dirt out of it. Alright. Not a bad first find. Onward. Would have been a beautiful spot at one time. Right in this little cove. A rock wall along the front there. Yep. I'll get you up real quick, folks. The house is right over there, and I'm on the opposite side of the property here now. This is looking more like it. That's what I found here so far. There's a piece of glass, some manganese glass, purple, bottom to a gin bottle, old pint bottle there with a Bakelite top on it. Don't see anything else whole around here though, but I'll keep poking around and see what I can scrape up. Get you back up if I find anything. Complete find, folks, other than the insulator. This milk white. It's not a screw top. I don't know what kind of top would have been on it. But it's a MUM. M-U-M. Glossed on the bottom. Looks like Philadelphia. No date or anything on it. Kind of interesting. Okay, I'll keep poking around here. Get you back up on the next find. Here you go, Kit and Caboodlers. You were asking if I ever find glass doll parts. Here's two legs right here. It's broke, unfortunately. This one is as well. The hip joint's gone off it. Anyways, there's the first two I found, and a little teacup to go with it. Right on. Okay, here's a find, folks, sitting right on top of the ground. Looks like it's going to be an aqua blue Vaseline Chesbro bottle, and that's exactly what it is. That's a nice color there. Haven't found one quite that color yet. It's the first. Beauty. Alright. Keep looking around here. my conclusion, folks, is that this site has already been picked. All I'm finding are old shards, and they're old, early 1900s, and some broken bottles, old broken bottles, and some common ones, and they're all on the surface. There's nothing underneath the surface, just rock. So my conclusion is that somebody's been here before and has picked it clean of any of the good stuff. We're inside the house here now, just having a quick look around. I don't think I'll be venturing too far in here. Whoa. Because, as you can see, it doesn't look real safe. So, just have a quick look. Yeah. Never know, you might find an old coin or something in these drawers. Well, I'm going to find them in those ones because they won't open. Yeah. Okay, well, I think I'll get out of here before this ceiling comes down on me. Alright, well, thanks for watching, folks. I don't know if I'll do a cleanup or not. Didn't really find much. If not, good luck and happy hunting.